Hello traders, in this video I'm going to give you a very powerful RSI scalping strategy that I use for my personal trading. And guys, one more thing before I start this video, if you have not subscribed FX Mentor, then you must have missed a lot of lectures from my side. And you need to watch the previous videos because very good indicators are already shared on our trading channel. So please make sure that you must subscribe and watch the previous videos so that you can come up with the best indicators till now. Okay guys, when we talk about the RSI scalping, so guys, this is one of the best indicator that we can use for the scalping purpose. You can trade this indicator on crypto, Forex, and whatever the financial market you are dealing in, you can use this indicator very successfully. So guys, this indicator speaks itself about its signals because it's not about just my words. You can see that it will provide you long entry and short entry. You can see that it has provided us with the long entry. Long means to buy it, and you can see that on gold the market was fully satisfactory into the upward direction. Not only it has performed on the gold, you can see the other pairs like Euro USD 15 minute it was down, long entry it is up, long entry it is up. So very good scalping chances are found. Look at this beauty guys, look what happened here. The market is straight into the upward direction after this middle long signal. So guys, this indicator is very good. It judges the market very carefully and it provides you with the better technique. Moreover, do not forget my lesson that you should trade with the trend for the market, and you can see here again the market has went into the upward direction. So guys, right now we are reviewing the 15-minute chart. Later on we will be switching to the 1-minute chart so that we can see how it has performed on 1 minute as well. So look at here on short entry on AUD JPY, look a very good downward trend. So guys, this indicator on the 15-minute time frame for the scalping purpose, it is not giving us so many signals, and this is quite right because while you will be getting so many signals, there is a chance of losing your money. Look on Great Britain Pound USD 15-minute, very good downward trend. Okay, so, let's have a look. We will come back to the Forex again. Let's have a look how it performed on Bitcoin. So I'm going to delete these two trend lines and then we can see, okay, right now it's not picking the signal, so might be there is something wrong. Okay, so here you can see on Bitcoin USDT we have a sell signal, short entry, and guys it's still running. You can see this is the beauty from this indicator. And even if we talk about the previous pattern, that was also a good scalping trade, but the right now the trade that it has given us from 5th of May, that was the short entry, and you can see how successful it is going. So this is kind of a beauty. I mean, you should not miss the beautiful indicators that are very much accurate, because this is one of the indicator that comes into the form that you can use for crypto, you can for Forex and any type of trading market, and it has very good accurate signals, right? Okay, now let's have a look on Euro JPY. So guys, please stay with me. I will tell you that which indicator is this in this middle of the video, or maybe at the end of the video I will tell you. Okay, so please make sure that you must watch the full video. Okay, Euro JPY 15 minutes upward direction. So this is how it is performing on crypto, it is performing on Forex. That's very good. So let me tell you that the indicator name is RSI Scalping, and it has this sign, and this is by Greege_S, and it is just new because it has just 81 downloads. So FX Mentor is one who is providing you with the fresh indicators that are in the few hands, and they also have a very good quality product as well. Okay, so do not use the slow pairs like CHF JPY, AUD CHF. I personally don't like. However, you can see short entry was fine as well on this pair, but you should go for the major volatile pairs and into the cryptocurrencies as well. Look, a very good downward chance again. Okay guys, so I personally hope that you must have liked this indicator. So now I have a look on the 1 minute time frame so that we can see how it performs on 1 minute. So because basically its signals were very less, so that's why I chosen 15 minutes, because on a 15 minutes I was able. Okay guys, I think so you need to use it on 15 minutes. That's the best that I have found personally, and it's not giving very easy signals on the 1 minute time frame, so be careful. So better use on the 15-minute time frame because the signals are very good. So guys, please attach this indicator on your trading view from Monday and let me know about your thoughts, that how you feel about this indicator, because near to me this indicator is very perfect and it's giving us very good signals as well. So the less signals but the more accuracy on the 15 minutes. So guys, I'm recommending you the 15-minute time frame. So hopefully you will become a better trader. And guys, stay with us, because with the grace of God, that's my passion, that's my vision, that subscribers who will be with me, they are going to be a better and the best traders in future. Just stay with me for a few days and you will be with the best skills, and you will be able to polish your skills, and I will do my best job for you. So guys, please make sure that you must subscribe FX Mentor and share this video with everyone, so that every newbie and those subscribers, those traders who are struggling with the Forex, crypto and other type of market, they should get the benefit from our free lectures. Thank you very much.